What do we
She
have?
knows we're here.
She doesn't care.
She doesn't mind us.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Pretty.
God, she's huge.
Yeah. Wait till you see a big bull elk. Here we are at the whole rainforest up in the park. We were just talking and walking, and then Michaela stopped. Look over there.
What is that?
Wait, who's this? Let me see who's here.
Leona spotted her too.
Hi. Look at me, Michaela.
Hi.
I take stills.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so...
Got me with no bra on.
Well, actually, I guess we... I was going to say we took the wrong trail, but actually looks like we ended up taking the right trail.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of cool.
Gosh, look at that.
I hear something up here. So there might be another one up here. Oh, yeah, there's another one. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Is it a bull? I can't see the head.
No.
No, it's another cow. Just as long as there's no babies. There she goes.